I think first I'll start by saying it's a great opportunity for Takaful Oman and for Oman that they are hosting the GAIF Conference here, which is also the 60th year of GAIF and the 34th conference. I think the last conference in Muscat was in 2002, but that was almost 22 years ago, and a lot has changed in the industry. How we feel that this is important for Takaful is, one, we are seeing all our regional counterparts here. We are not only seeing the insurance companies, we are seeing the reinsurers, we are seeing the technology partners, we are seeing brokers, we are seeing regulators, we are seeing members of other associations come together under one umbrella, and we are getting the exposure to learn from them, to share with them what we have achieved, and to also learn from the experiences they are all going through. The insurance industry is at a cusp right now of technology revolution. Why I say that? Insurers have already been typically behind the banking sector, a step behind when it comes to technology innovation. But with artificial intelligence, I think it's now putting us at par with our other financial sector counterparts like banks. So I am seeing a lot of AI conferences here, a lot of AI discussions here, which I think is very, very important for the industry to come at that level and take up from there. Because at the end of the day, the customer, whether he's banking with bank A or insuring with insurance company B, is expecting the same level of interface, same level of experience when it comes to consuming financial services. So I think insurance has to keep abreast, and I think GAIF is an excellent platform for us to not only know about AI but all the other technological advancements that are happening in our space. So yeah, really glad and fortunate that it's happening here, and for us to be participating as a strategic sponsor as well. So I would say that for Takaful Oman, this is a very important milestone year. This is our 10th year. And we are still considering ourselves as a startup. We have also the benefit that we don't have a lot of legacy. So we are embracing all the new technologies that are available without having to worry about how do we integrate them with the legacy systems. So I think that is a blessing. We got excellent shareholders who are very supportive and who are equally advanced in their thoughts when it comes to technological advancements. So how have we maintained our success? One, we have recapitalized the company. We have enhanced the capital. We have enhanced our leadership team. We have enhanced the employees in the company, both in terms of skill and in terms of numbers. And overall, we have emphasized a lot on new products and services. So whatever Takaful is doing, he's putting the customers at the center and then building everything around it. So our products, our services, our interfaces, everything is linked around the customer, and that helps us to be centered. The other thing we do is we always think like a startup. So I have told my team that the day we start thinking like an established company, I think the day we'll start to stop growing. So we have to think every day like a startup. We have to embrace the challenges that are there and be open to addressing them again by looking at the customer as our focal point. So a lot of emphasis on technology. We have introduced a technology platform where today you can buy a product from any of the channels. We have an omnichannel experience, and we're not limiting it to product, we are enhancing it to services as well. So a customer, when he buys a product, it's a seamless experience, but the same experience he can experience when he will buy, when he has a claim, or when he has to take a service like endorse his vehicle, he's selling his vehicle, he's adding a driver, mundane stuff like that. In terms of medical, when there are more members coming in, there are members leaving. So things where they can be on self-service portals, and our customers can experience a seamless transition for all our services. So building on omni-channel, building on the customer as a focal point, and ability to think like a startup at all points, and embracing technology and being open about what's happening and integrating as much as we can within our system. So tough environment to be in, insurance, tough geography to be in, but a very supportive ecosystem with our regulator, with our shareholders, and customers who are young and who are willing to try new technologies, which encourages us to invest more in them. So yeah, that's how we are staying relevant, I would say. Thank you.